Oh,
good.
Oh, seen him. So earlier when we palpated, we felt a little bit of restricted motion in here. We did some chiropractic orthopedic exams. We found some issue in the spine here, so we're just providing some chiropractic manipulation there. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. I want you to lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight here for me. Excellent. Get right over here, right in here. Take a deep breath, completely exhale. Very good.
It's not such a big deal. Okay? Do this all the time. Just right here and say, that's
Get this one. Good. Some ribs. Beautiful. Sit up all the way. Nice. One more. Good. Right there. Headaches, sinus problems, things like that. Good. One more. This one will go down the shoulders. This one will go down the arm and the shoulders. Beautiful.
Perform a cervical chiropractic adjustment here. Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. All right, very good. Okay, we do have some really lots of tightness here in the transition segment of thoracic to lumbar region. You're going to expect this on a bodybuilder, but you're going to see how much muscle we have to get through here. So I'm going to use a technique that is going to be more force than speed. Let me have you take a deep breath in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here. Take a deep breath. There you go. Very good. Lay facing on the other side for me. I'm going to palpate here on the low back on this side as well. As we see during weightlifting competition, we could have restricted segments here in the lumbar spine from lots of deadlifts.
Justin's not kicking a lot yet, but he will be in second. Oh yeah. Feel that all the way down? Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, kicking a little better. Okay. Okay. There we go. Good.
Very slowly with the patient. You take a long time to set up. Very slowly. Just let that shoulder go a little bit, my dear. Just move it there.
So again, we're going to just gently move that vertebra like that. Very good.
I'm going to wrap this around his occiput back here, and that's where I get my main contact in his jaw. Keep your teeth closed, dude. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. There you go. Now, do you feel that open that up right up there?
Wow.
Do you feel that all the way down?
Yes.
I want to get a little closer, see if you hear, but here we go.
Ooh.
You all right?
Yeah.
It's a quick move, more on the velocity than anything. Hang on. Relax, relax.